Welcome to Rants TV, Travel and Events.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Please join with me guys. I-update ko lang po kayo sa MRT 7 station dito sa Tandang Sora, Commonwealth Avenue, Quezon City. At ito na yung status niya guys, oh. Medyo skeleton pa. At ang laki ng station dito guys. At yung nga, napansin ko nga yung mga stations along Commonwealth Avenue, grabe ang lalaki. Para siyang mall guys. At yan yung iglesia ni Cristo. Time check guys is 7:30 PM local time. As you can see, ang traffic. Ayan guys, oh. Yun nga, napansin ko dito, ganun pala siya ka-traffic. Kaya tingnan nyo naman guys, ang traffic. Kahabaan ng Commonwealth Avenue, grabe pala ang traffic. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell in order for you to be updated on my upcoming videos. Ang MRT 7 guys ay makakaroon ito ng 14 stations from North Avenue, Quezon City up to San Jose, Bulacan. At yung Tandang Sora Station ay isa to sa mga stations niya guys. So from North Avenue to San Jose del Monte, Bulacan guys ay 22 kilometers at meron siyang 14 stations. At yun nga guys, as you can see, napaka-traffic dito at dapat lang pala talaga guys may train dito sa daan na to kasi grabe talaga ang traffic. Tingnan nyo guys, 7:30 PM na at bumper to bumper pa rin ang traffic dito. Ito na yung 14 stations guys ng MRT 7, namely North EDSA, Quezon Memorial Circle, University Avenue, Tandang Sora, Don Antonio, Batasan, Manggahan, Doña Carmen, Regalado, Mindanao Avenue, Quirino Highway, Sacred Heart, Tala, and San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. As per news nga guys, mag-ooperate na tong MRT 7 by next year in Quezon City area siguro guys, from North Avenue up to Fairview siguro. At abangan na natin guys at sana nga mag-ooperate na to kasi nakita nyo naman na napaka-traffic talaga sa area na to. Ang inaantay na lang yata nito guys yung mga stations na lang kasi yung ibang station dito is skeleton pa lang, kaya ito siguro ang inaantay na lang kasi kung titingnan nyo matagal-tagal pa itong matatapos eh. At guys, please panoorin nyo rin yung mga iba pang stations guys at i-update ko po kayo hanggang Doña Carmen guys, along Commonwealth Avenue pa rin guys. Yan na yung South Luzon na bridge, guys. Ganito ka-traffic dito, guys, ha. 7:45 PM na. Traffic pa rin dito, grabe. Yung exit ng South Luzon Bridge, guys, on your right, ayan yung papuntang Katipunan.